Let's take a quick second and talk about floor leveling. Preparing the subfloor to receive the new flooring product is one of the most important parts of installing your floor, all right? Now, it's not dissimilar to painting trims or painting drywall. You know, people get really excited about painting. It's fun to see the color go on the wall, right? But in order for it to look good, you've gotta do the prep work. 80% of the work in painting is the preparation to be ready to paint. The actual application of the paint and all that sort of stuff and cutting in, yes, that's work too, but it's not nearly as much work and it's not nearly as time consuming as making things ready. So the same thing applies when we are talking about flooring. If you've been in a home and you've noticed, oh, that spot's squidgy and that spot's squidgy, or you can feel the floor kind of roll underneath your feet, what has happened in that situation is the contractor has not ensured that their trade partner did sufficient subfloor preparations. It is so important. And one of the major reasons for it being important, not only from just a comfort and like when you're walking on it perspective, but over time, as that floor moves up and down, what can happen is those joints can start to fail. And that's when flooring starts to pull apart. You see the cracks in it on the floor. You see things starting to look like crap. 99 times, it's not the actual product, it's the installation of the product. That doesn't mean to say that there isn't garbage product out there. We know there is. It's usually the installation. So make sure that before you let your flooring contractor put the floors down, make sure that it's flat. I know that our preferred flooring partner is Ethical Flooring. And those guys don't have 6-foot levels like this, but they do have 6 and 10-foot aluminum straight edges. So if the dude you're hiring doesn't have a 6-foot and a 10-foot straight edge, and if those dudes aren't using it on the floor, they're doing a shitty job. Don't hire them, kick them off the project. You wanna make sure that when the level goes down, the level sits fairly flat. The biggest gap that we wanna see underneath the straight edge is about a 1/16, maximum an 1/8, maximum. A 1/16 is kind of where you wanna aim for. And again, it doesn't need to be level. It needs to be flat. Okay, so that is your flooring prep tip.